If you own a junk removal business, Google Ads can be one of the most effective tools to bring in consistent, high quality leads. Today, we'll go through a simple step by step guide on how to set up a Google Ads campaign that actually drives results for your business. Start by visiting the Google Ads website. On the top right corner, click Sign In and log in using your Google account. Once you're inside, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, where you can manage all your campaigns, analyze performance, and make important adjustments to improve your results. Next, click on the Campaigns tab. This is where all the action happens. To start fresh, click Create Campaign. You'll then be asked to choose a campaign goal. For junk removal services, select Sales. This goal is designed to focus on driving direct conversions, such as calls, form submissions, or bookings. Once you select Sales, you'll see a list of campaign types. Choose the one that best matches how you want to reach potential customers. For local junk removal businesses, search campaigns are often the most effective. These allow your ads to appear when people search for terms like junk removal near me or furniture pickup service. This ensures your ad shows up right when people are ready to book. You can also explore Performance Max campaigns, which use Google's machine learning to automatically display your ads across multiple platforms like YouTube, Maps, Search, and Gmail, helping you reach a wider audience while optimizing for conversions in real time. After selecting your campaign type, you'll move on to targeting and budgeting. Here, define your service area so your ads only reach people within your desired locations. Then, set a realistic daily budget based on what you're comfortable spending. Start small, monitor results, and scale gradually once you see positive performance. Now it's time to create your ad. Write clear, action-focused headlines such as fast junk removal in your city or affordable junk hauling, same-day service. Use your descriptions to highlight what makes your business stand out. Maybe you offer eco-friendly disposal, quick pickups, or competitive rates. The goal is to communicate trust and convenience. Don't forget to add ad extensions like a call button or location link. These small additions can make it easier for customers to reach you directly, improving your chances of converting clicks into actual calls or bookings. Once everything is ready, review your settings and click Publish to launch your campaign. After your ads go live, it's important to monitor performance regularly. Keep an eye on your click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per lead. Make adjustments along the way. Tweak your keywords, update ad text, or test different headlines to see what performs best. Using Google Ads effectively isn't about setting it once and forgetting it. It's about refining and optimizing over time to get the best return on your ad spend. Thanks for watching. By following these steps, you'll have a strong foundation to promote your junk removal business through Google Ads. Stay consistent, test your strategies, and watch as your customer inquiries start to grow.